Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate EquityMultiple for syndication deal comparisons. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate EquityMultiple for syndication deal comparisons, start by visiting the EquityMultiple website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the syndication deals section on your dashboard. Click on the Activate button for the EquityMultiple feature. A pop-up window will appear requesting additional information. Fill in the required details including your investment preferences. Select the types of deals you wish to compare. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you agree, check the box confirming your acceptance. Click the Submit button to finalize the activation. After the confirmation, you will receive a notification of successful activation. Return to the dashboard to access your newly activated features. Now, you can begin comparing syndication deals effectively. Explore the various comparison tools available to enhance your analysis. Take note of key metrics and features displayed for each deal. Utilize filters to narrow down your search based on your investment criteria. You are now ready to make informed decisions using EquityMultiple. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.